What we got here today is the Funcils Scissor Fun Activity Set. This is a great little set that is designed to help improve kids' age 3 to 7 years old, their fine motor skills, their creativity, through a fun little book of crafts and a fun little book of games. What you've got included in the box are these two books that I just showed you, and just so you know, these aren't like black and white books. They're brightly colored, fun books that comes with scissors, glue tape, actually a glue stick, and two pairs of safety scissors. They're plastic edge. They're not sharp, that have a spring edge to them for those who maybe aren't used to using scissors and how to recoil those up and down. This assists with that. And then they can jump into either these crafts or these games as a way to train those fine motor skills. You got everything from tic-tac-toe to sticker fun, to, little things, little farm type games, or if they're crafty and like creativity, you can design and make pretty little animals, things like that. This one's a whole tree that you can make three-dimensional. Overall, it's a fun, great little activity set. Each book has 15 different activities for you to choose from. Again, if you have a kid in your life and you're trying to help them with some fine motor skills, I think this is a great way to maybe accomplish that, to give it a try and check it out. It's made by Funcils. I think you're going to love it. It's their Scissor Fun Activity Kit.